Making change. Imagine that you're writing code for an automated checkout machine at a supermarket. You've created a function that decides how to dispense change when the shopper pays. Below is the documentation for the function. You can also option click the function name in the code below to see the documentation. So change for a double, purchase price, which is also a double, and it returns an array of denomination type. So it gives the amount of change due for a given purchase. Parameters, the amount given is the amount of money given in dollars. Purchase price is the price of the item being purchased in dollars. Returns an array of currency denominations that should be given as change. An empty array is returned in case of error. Note, the amount given should not be less than the purchase price. The maximum purchase price is $500. Larger amounts have to be handled via card or check, and the minimum purchase price is 1 penny, so 1 cent. Notice 0.01. Experiment. Test the function with different purchase prices and amounts of cash. Print the results to the console if the array is too large to see in the result sidebar. Make sure you test illegal values as well as those at and beyond legal limits. So we have change for a 10, purchase price $2.75. So if you were to buy something for $2.75 and give them a $10 bill, you would receive a 5, a 1, a 1, and a quarter. So a 5, 2 ones, and a quarter as change. All right, so let's test some more of these. So change for, let's say something costs 99 cents, so 0.99. That gives us, should be 1 penny. There we go. All right, let's just throw some other tests in there. So change for, let's say we gave them $4 for a $3.75 purchase. And $5 for a $3.75 purchase. Let's go with 10 for something that costs $2.78. So get some more complex things there. Let's say we gave them $20.50 and we want to buy something that is $10.50. I guess they would be purchasing from us. Change for something that is free. So let's test these so far. So we have change for $1 is a penny for a purchase of 99 cents. Change for something that costs $3.75 that we gave them $4 should be a quarter, correct. Change for a 5 when purchase price is $3.75, $1 and a quarter, so 1 and a quarter. Change for something that costs $2.78 when they were given a 10 should be a 5, a 1, a 1, a dime, and a penny. So the 2 pennies will get us to $2.80. The 2 dimes will get us to $3. And then 4, 5, and then another 5 would equal 10. So that is correct. And then for something that costs $10.50, we were given $20.50. That's an even 10. And then this just gives us an empty bracket because there would be no change. So let's try change for $600. Even though I know it can only go up to $500, we are testing. So for something that costs $5.50. Oh, actually, this one here returned an empty array, just like this one did, because down here we have printed purchase price must be between 1 penny and $500. So both of these returned an error, or print an error. So just going to make note. Let's do some more. Change for something that costs 10. This should be an error. Let's try that. That does not work, so that messes up our program a little bit. Let's comment that out and try change for $0, purchase price $1.50. Trying to get it for free. And also returns an error. So we'll comment that out. Make sure we're only getting our printed errors. We'll just comment all of those out. How about that? I think we broke it. All right, that's better. All right, a better way to test is to express each call as a comparison between the actual result and the expected one. That way, any failures will appear as false in the result sidebar. So exercise, rewrite your tests following the pattern below. So we have change for a 10 at purchase price $2.75 should be equal to a 5, 2 ones, and a quarter. So that evaluates to true. So I'm actually going to copy these, paste them down here, and then we're going to check. So this one should be equal to a penny. This one, we're checking to see if it is equal to a quarter. And this one should be a 1 and a quarter. Remember to put commas between each item in an array. This one should be, so 278, we should do the largest one first, so .5, 2 ones, 2 dimes, and 2 pennies. And this one should be equal to a 10. And these should all be equal to empty strings because they returned errors. And we'll see if those work. But before we uncomment those, we'll see if the others are true. So all of these are true. So those tests all work. And then let's try this one. All of them are true. These do all return the expected value. So these weren't working up here, but this says insufficient amount to purchase item at price 10.01. I think Xcode was just glitching a little bit there. And insufficient amount, $0 to purchase item at price $1.50. Have you seen any errors in your testing? If not, try purchasing an item that costs $8.95. So far our program works. So we're going to test $8.95. So let's say I want change for, I'm going to give you a 10 for something that costs $8.95. And that should give me a 1 and a nickel. Let's see what that says. So this is not the same. So I can actually see, I'm just going to copy and paste this. What it is returning. It's a 1, a nickel, and a penny, which is not correct. So why does it fail with this example? So next, we're going to discover some numeric limitations of computers. So this will be explained next.